guys, this is Matthew Vreeland with Laser Shot. We're here at SHOT Show 2018. Laser Shot's really excited about a bunch of things this year. First and foremost, we're unveiling our Sim 17 inert training pistol. In addition to that, we brought a couple cool systems. We got our Sim range, geared towards our LE and consumer market. We also brought the MMTS, which is more of a military system. So let's go check it out. So right now what we're looking at is our Mobile Marksmanship Training Simulator, or MMTS. This is our high-end military system. It's designed primarily for military customers. It's a multi-computer system with a high-end projector, our highest-end camera, and a mil-spec, ultra-durable case that you can move anywhere your unit goes. We're right now looking at the Preliminary Marksmanship Instruction Software, or PMI, which mimics courses of fire that you'd have to take to qualify in the real world. By practicing on a virtual range, you can become proficient enough to have confidence when you go to the real range to do the real thing. So let's take a couple shots. Alright guys, right now we're taking a look at the Sim range. The Sim range is an easy-to-use system that's been tailor-made for our gun enthusiast, gun store owner, and law enforcement customers. What it consists of essentially is a custom ultra-short throw projector that you can get right up next to your screen, giving you plenty of room to maneuver, that has an integrated laser detection camera built right in. All you need to do is plug this in to a computer running our software, which we can provide or you can provide yourself, and then you're ready to train. Right now, we've got Steel Challenge up. This is an application that we designed for some of our sports shooters. It mimics actual Steel Challenge courses, and we have a smoke and poke round ready to go. I'm going to shoot this using our Sim 17 that we're unveiling at the show this year. Sim 17 is based on a Glock 17 model. We make it in-house, and it operates just like a Glock would. You can move the slide back and forth, the trigger feels realistic, it's got the same weight and feel. Even practice magazine changes if you want. It's an inert trainer, meaning there's no recoil, it's just for dry fire, which is perfect for new shooters or for experienced shooters to get that practice that they need. So let's start shooting. So in addition to being used with our simulators, the Sim 17 can also be fitted with a visible laser to use as a regular dry fire trainer. We have an example of that here. So as you can see, it operates the same way as the Sim 17 with an infrared laser, but the laser is visible, so you don't even need a systems train. So for more information about any of the systems we covered today, visit our website, www.lasershot.com.